On today's episode, I'm heading back down to our aluminum shop.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness will come with the meals. Boy, I said come with the meals. Mean I get money to blow. Mean I get hundreds and diamonds and that's in my pocket and penny on just for the show. Just for the flow. I ain't get put on, boy, I just put on all for my fam. Made the decision, I wasn't satisfied.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 112 of Inside the Body Shop. Hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. So, first thing this morning when I got to the shop, I had the set of used salvage yard doors that I had to block out. I had primed up yesterday at the end of the episode. Be sure to check out 111 if you missed it. But I blocked those out, got those over to the paint shop. Then I headed down to our aluminum shop. I had another F-150. I've had a bunch of those lately. It's weird how these cars come in groups. And this one has repair down the side. It's getting 2 new doors, repair on the bedside, and repair on the center B pillar and C pillar rocker section, all of that area where the doors came in and hit all of that area whenever it got hit, got sideswiped. I think this one got sideswiped by a truck or something. I'm not sure exactly. But now, on aluminum repair, a lot of guys don't want to get into it. People try to avoid it, and it's going to become unavoidable in this industry before too long. I did an Instagram post. If you guys aren't following on Instagram, be sure to get on there and tune in. I put in a lot of different content on there on Instagram that you never see on Facebook or YouTube or anywhere else. And I did an Instagram post yesterday talking about the importance of learning aluminum repair. If you're in this industry, if you're a body tech out there, or if you're up and coming body tech, it's very important to start learning how to repair aluminum because it's not going away. It's becoming more and more popular. Now the F-150s as well as the Super Duties, the F-250s and 350s are all aluminum now. Dodge is coming out with aluminum truck. I believe GM is as well. They're all, a lot of cars are going aluminum. It used to be years ago, it was just the high-end cars. So you didn't have to mess with it too much unless you were in a high-end luxury shop that worked on BMWs and Mercedes and stuff like that. Now it's becoming everywhere. And by neglecting to learn how to repair aluminum, you're gonna fall behind and get behind everybody else in the industry. And I encourage everybody, any techs out there, to start practicing, start learning if you're not already, because it's not going away. It's gonna become a very, very common thing, and everybody's gonna have to be able to repair aluminum before too long. So just wanted to throw that out there to you guys. That was what I talked about on my Instagram post from yesterday. So be sure to tune in on Instagram, like I said, if you're not. But this repair, that's pretty much what I did today. It's about ready to prime. I had to finish up a few things in the morning. But that was my day today. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, click that share button. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. So thank you guys. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Check out my day. All right, on to the next one. I have another F-150 here, an aluminum one, down in our aluminum shop. And we've had a bunch of these lately. This one's getting repaired down the side. Has some repair on the side here, back in this corner, a little on the bedside, and then it gets 2 new doors. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into repairing this side and this bedside and get this one going. All right, I got this one just about ready for primer. I have to replace this piece. It's quick and simple. I'll knock that out in the morning. Goes right up in there, and a minor repair on the bedside there, but just about ready. So I will knock out this bed part in the morning. That's a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.